Hi, Sarah here. I've got a planner flip through video for you today. This is my setup for October and for Halloween. I'm a week late getting started with it, but it's all done now. I'll first off just show you, it's quite chunky. I've got lots of clips in there. I made a planner charm as well, which is using ribbons by Crafty Ribbons. I'll link their shop below. And I also made a little pumpkin charm in there as well. A little guy there. This planner band is by Cherry Blossom on the Market Square, I think it's called, as well as this clip here. So I'll show you the inside now. Oh, and it's a Prima Planner A5. I think it's called Breathe, this one. So inside I have quite a few handmade clips here, made from various supplies. I did make these last year. I will link my planner decorating videos that are relevant to what's in this below in the description as well. So as you can see, I've made some flower ones, some little flare ones, there's some washi tape tucked in here, just there. And this is my kit that I'll be using next by Fab Planner Print, that's got foil on it that you can see there. A few extra clips down here that I also made, and you can see I've got my various paper clips here to go with the sections. I made this shaker dash, which is a little flimsy, but it still looks pretty, and it's got pictures of my little boy on there, and on the reverse it has me in a bin bag dress back in the 80s, me and my brother as me again, and lots of Halloween sequins in there too. This vellum is by Fab Planner Print as well. This dash came with it. I'm using this just to protect this one because it has got sequins on it. And my little glitter name at the bottom is also from Fab Planner Print. This I made last year. I believe there's a video for this as well. If there is, I will link it below in the description box if you want to check out all my planner decorating videos from last year. This is my first divider. Like I say, the supplies used will be in the description in the actual video where I make them. So I've just got this cute little card, a little witch there, and this is my daily pages, and also the month and tracker is there as well. I'm filming this before I've filled anything in, so I don't have to cover up any details. And this is by Cherry Blossom in the Marketplace as well. I made this dangle clip here, which I'll just fold them up so you can see them better. This is made with using a Paige Evans charm, and then the other two dangle clips are by Dotty Moo. My next divider here, I do use a lot of mixed media as well, so I have actually used mixed media on here. A few splashes of ink, lots of washi and ephemera, and then the reverse. And this is my actual planner pages. There's a video of this one before I've got all my scrawly writing in it. And there's that dangle charm and my today paperclip, which came as a free gift when I ordered with Fab Planner Print for the Planner Boss sale. And I have my monkey nut charm there as well, which is also by Dotty Moo. Next up is cleaning. I don't label these because if I want to switch them around I'd rather not have to change that. I've got this cute card. This is Mrs. Brimbles, as is the little ghost illustration underneath there. I'll quickly hold it up. And there's some washi by Little Bee up there at the top as well. And this is my cleaning one, which I've not added a paper clip for, but never mind. I have a dangle clip down the side. The actual cleaning schedule inserts with the pretty leaves are by Lollipop Box, and here's some more cute characters by Mrs. Brimbles. I did a mixed media background, added some glossy accents on the moon and on this little guy here to make him shiny, and some white ink on the background. The next divider is meal planning. So I've used this cute cake here from Lollipop Box. I've added glossy accents to the back there, and added sweets for this one. And although I have added that there, as you can see, it says Jeepers Creepers. And the reverse of that one has this cute cat which has holographic eyes and a retro card on there with a few splashes of gold ink, gold colour shine ink. And there's my cute paper clip for the meal planner. Next up I have budget. So I've used a black feather for the effect of a quill, I guess kind of Scrooge style, because money's rubbish. And I've just added some Halloween characters in there with some splashes of ink in purple and gold. And then the reverse has this cute little ghost and a spider on this paper with writing on it. There's another cute little guy there on a checkered card, and there's my paper clip there. Next up is just the last one now, so that's just my lists. It's my spare lists I keep at the back. I sometimes move them towards the front if I need them. And on this one I've just added some witches hats and also some little word stickers as well. I've added a little gem on that bottom hat there and a few splashes of ink. And then the reverse is really colourful, loads of splashes of ink added on there, lots of washi, another one of those little guys, little pumpkin guys, and then another journaling card on the other side, and this paper clip here which came in a Brimbles box. And these are literally all just loads of pages of notes. There's a shopping list and to-do list ones. Most of these style inserts are from Paper Chase, but my diary ones are Annie Plan printables. And at the back I have got this plastic zipper pouch for receipts or cash, whatever. I've not actually moved into this properly and started using it, so I will be adding my receipts and whatnot in there. And then I have this which came in from TK Maxx last year, and I've just put a few pages of that in the back, and then just my pen, and that is everything. So thanks for joining me today for this little flip through of my planner. Like I said, most of the things are handmade, and I do have videos showing how to make them, process videos showing me creating most of the things in here. Next year I might change it up and do it differently, but I was happy to be able to reuse things this year. And like I say, I have got lots of new stickers to add into my weeklies, so stay tuned for those. And don't forget to check out my scrapbooking and mixed media videos as well. Everything has got its own playlist, so if you like one thing but not the other, you just have to go to my playlist and find the videos that you like. So thanks again for joining me, and have a great day everyone. Bye!